Hello, I'm Dr. G. Shamla, serving as an Associate Professor in the Department of Commerce, Savitribai Phule, Pune University. Today, I'm here to talk about the basic concept about corporate governance. What is corporate governance? Corporate governance is basically the concept where corporations govern themselves. So, it's a technique wherein the companies manage or direct the affairs. It works on the mechanism of proper functioning of the affairs of the company. So it's basically highlights on certain aspects like transparency in operations, ethicality in the way of working, ensuring integrity in the financial reporting, proper compliances, proper disclosures, and carrying out the activities through proper code of conduct so that the affairs of the organizations are binding to the organization, and at the same time the company comes out with such responsibility of taking good decisions which will affect not only for the good of the shareholders but also the stakeholders. So basically this corporate governance runs on the pillars, and there are 4 pillars of this corporate governance which are transparency, accountability, fairness and independence. It all comes down to the board of directors. Who are this board of directors? Board of directors are the chosen lot from the whole range of shareholders who are spread over a very larger area. It's practically impossible for the shareholders to take an active participation in the organization. So the board of directors are entrusted with the authority and responsibility of taking the right decision for the company so that the company performs its functions in the most appropriate and ethical manner, which will help the organizations come out with the best decisions, helping the organization, its employees, shareholders and the community at large. So what does corporate governance actually deals with? Corporate governance actually deals with rules, laws, procedures, practices, implicit rules, right managerial decisions, right disclosures, codes of conduct, best practices, standards of practices and codes of ethics. As we see, what are the reasons for so many scams and companies like Enron and Satyam getting bankrupt? Probably the companies have lost the governance principles, and because these governance principles are lost, corporate governance has gained a lot of importance in the past period. There are a lot of benefits to corporate governance. It's not a bane or a pain, but it is an aid and helps companies achieve a lot. So what are the benefits of corporate governance? Good governance ensures corporate success and economic growth. It helps shareholders with a good shareholder value, maintains investors' confidence, and helps company lift their capital efficiently and effectively. It also helps in lowering the capital cost, and thus it will have a very positive impact on the share price of the organizations. It provides proper inductment to the owners as well as managers to achieve their objectives in the best interest of the shareholders and the stakeholders. Thus, governance will minimize wastages, corruption, risks and mismanagement, and it helps in brand formation and development. Thus, concluding what corporate governance is, it helps an organization in dealing with legal issues, creating a healthy environment, creating a competitive advantage, creating confidence in the minds of the investors, having a better goodwill in the organization, helping communities grow, having society better impact of what corporations are doing, grow in the profits, walk on the ethical lines, grow in the economy and help the overall development of the economy, and at the same time maintain certain ethical standards which become an example and not like Enron and Satyam, which closed down on a particular day because of some mismanagement on the part of the top executives. So the fundamental issues of corporate governance is to make sure that the directors and the management team actually take the right decisions for the benefit of the organization, and in the course of doing so, it will not only benefit the organizations but also the stakeholders who are indirectly affecting the working of the organizations. So the successful implementation of corporate governance practices are of paramount importance for the long run sustainability and growth and development of the organization. Thank you.